Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more storage on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first need to do is open up your settings app on your mobile device, and then you've got to navigate to storage. So the quickest and easiest way is to click on the magnifying glass search and type in storage like so, and then you want to click onto storage device care. And now this is where you can manage your storage and usage. So it will give you a breakdown of how much storage you've used. So currently on my phone, I've used 31%, so 80 gigabytes from 256. You can see what's taken up all the data in your phone. You can click show more to see more as well. And now under this is where you can start to delete and remove some files or folders, etc. So as it states here, I can get 12.94 kilobytes of space by deleting old audio from the notifications folder. So I can go ahead and click on not now and review old files. And if you swipe left to right, you can see all the different things you can review old files like so. So I can get 14 meg of space by deleting old screenshots, 323 megabytes by deleting downloaded files you haven't used recently. So you can scroll left to right and you can go ahead and select files and see if you want to delete them to get more space on your mobile device. And now under there you got recycle bin. So that's the first thing I'll do. So go ahead and click onto recycle bin and you can see my files gallery. So if you want to delete it, simply click onto my files. And now I'm going to click on edit. And now I'm going to choose all. And now I'm going to delete all. Delete. And now what we want to do is do the same for, if we scroll down again, click into unused apps. So you can see I've got 12 gigabytes of unused apps I haven't used in the past 30 days. So you click into that and you can go ahead and delete some apps I haven't used. So these are a couple of games I haven't used in a while. So if I want to delete them, I'm going to free up 2.5 gigabytes. So I'll say down below. You can click on more apps if you haven't used them in a while. So that's another good way to free up space as well. So I'm going to click on uninstall there. As you can see, it's deleting. Just give it a few moments to process. Yep, that's done. So I'm going to go back. And then under your unused apps, we've got duplicate files. So files you have multiple copies of. So we can delete that as well. So I've got 2 recordings. So I'm just going to click on these and then click on delete one file. And I'll go back. And also we've got large files, so files bigger than 25 megabytes. So if there's some files in there that you'd like to delete, any large files, just go and have a look through your large files and delete them one by one.